welcome back to Ella's World. Today we're going to be reviewing our miniature toys. So what are we waiting for? Let's go into it. So my first toy that I want to show you is my sticky rose. And I love sticky rose. So here it is. So here's the sticky rose. This is my bracelet that I made myself. So, this is Pinkie Pie. Beautiful. Yeah. I have a ton of sticky rose, yeah. And I have another bracelet. So, let's see. Here's this one. I don't know what this character is called, but it's so cute. Oh my god. Here, so excited. And I have some more sticky rose, this chicken, and I have a bunch more. And this is my book, my sticky rose book. I have a few. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. So now let's move on to the next one, which is a miniature backpack. I stuffed some items in it and it's just so cute. A tiny zip that actually works. Let's see what I stuffed in it. So this is a tiny pencil case. So let's open it. Oh my gosh, a tiny pencil. Let me put it here. A tiny ruler. Can you see that? Yeah, it's so cute. It's so hard to pick up. Cannot pick it up. I barely can. Yeah, a triangle. So cute. And now let's see what else we have. Oh my god. A tiny eraser that is so small. And, of course, some more rulers. And now let's see what else we have. A tiny cinema roll book. A paw that I showed in my very first video. Bop, bop, bop. But it's so good. See? Yeah. And a drink. And 2 books. So let me put everything back in the bag. Oh my gosh, this bag is so full of items. It's so hard to pick up everything because everything is so small. Now let's move on to the next one, which is magnet ball. See? The box is very secured. Oh my gosh. Ah! There it is. Let's listen to this ASMR. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, that sounds so good. It's like string. Oh my gosh. This is so cool. Oh my god. I really think this is very cool. And I love the sound. And you don't need to make a square and then put it back in. You can put it anyhow because it will suddenly mold into a square if you put it in. See? Okay, so that was amazing. So now let's move on to the next one, which is slime. I love slime. This is a grape smell slime. Let's open it. It smells great. I wish you guys were here to smell it. So let's listen to it. So, ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh. This looks amazing. Whoa. I love it. It's great. A little bit melted, but it's okay. If I had to rate it, I would definitely rate it 4 out of 10. But actually, if you keep playing with it, it gets better and better. And for its price, I guess it's quite cheap. Now let me get it out on my hand. Oh my gosh. It's hard to take things out on my hand. Yeah. Yeah. There. I got it out on my hand. And now for the very last and my favorite one, it's, drumroll please, my mini bread store. It's so cute. Let's see it. Ready? Let's turn the camera on. Bring it down here and now let me bring it. So this is one of them. Oh my god. I need to bring the camera up. Let's see. So this is what it looks like. It's so cute. I love it. With this one, it goes together. Let's move this one a little and then this one. Here's a close-up. See? Okay. So, if you open this tiny drawer, which is impossible to open, that got it. There's gonna be a tweezer. So cute. And a tiny paper. And then you can get a tray. Put the paper on the tray. Then you can get a bread with the tweezer. I'll get this donut. And then, because that did not happen. And then you got a tiny cute bread. I think it's really cute and it's really fun to make. I think it's a really good idea to make these toys. It's just so cute. So I'm keeping these now. And I'm leaving it here. And this is another final one. I was just joking. The final one is, drumroll please. This thing. Oh my god. It's so cute, right? It's not a miniature though. It's a squishy plushie. Yeah, plushie. And it smells amazing. Yeah, smell it. It smells so good. And it has the texture. So the chocolate beat is down here. Listen to this. And it's so cute. Look at the paws. Oh my god, this is so cute. And that's all for today. I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.